Eli, what's up? I am Prince Eli. What it do? Eli, I be seeing you on IG, man. You be having me rolling, man. Good to see you in the building. All right.
They only follow their own greed for wealth and power, misleading many from their own tankath salvation. Far be it for true, Musbatu, to be deceived by the lying children, Pa Mutwawu, the evil ones, and those who serve them. And surely the lies of these Munfalu, fallen ones, are conspired by those who do not follow true to our teachings as they come to you. Consequently, Pa Natharu condemns them as impostors. From Pa Tarak the Way, Pa Tahama, the accused. Musbatu, know that many Negroids have sold their souls to the cursed seeds of Hikar Hasutu or other races and will betray you, turn on you, hurt you, or even kill you to prove they love other races over their own. Don't fear them, don't trust them, don't ever be the aggressor. From Sabaean Ethics, we as animists. For those who Khashush deceive Musbatu, acting as Sabaeans, pretending to be good and righteous, for them will be a future long in spirit and misery and despair. Their own actions and deeds will bind them to this Takwan existence. Justice, COINTELPRO. From the Constitution of the UNNN, any officer can and will be removed by the people for incompetency, indecency, dishonesty, biases, instability of health, both physical and mental. Any officer can and will be removed by the people. Any officer, I don't care what your title is, if you're not getting the job done with campaign promises, you can be removed by the people. It's not automatic in the bank because you have a title that the people bow down to anybody in any office, especially if you're incompetent. I just read it right here. Offense. Anyone falsely posing as a tribal member of the Amasi tribe of Native Americans of the UNN for the sole purpose of committing any of the following acts against our tribal nation. A. Exposing proprietary information about our tribal nation, whether it pertains to our government or citizens of the Wabia. B. Disrupting the progress of our tribal nation in any way. C. Misdirecting our tribal members in such a way as to be found detrimental and contrary to our tribal cultural way of life, Wusabat. D. Discrediting our tribal cultural way of life, Wusabat, our government and or government officials of citizens of Misbatio. Neutralizing any established system set in place by our tribal nation for the continued preservation of our people's lands and culture. F. Proven attempts to eliminate our president, head of state, tribal members, government officials, or citizens of Misbatia, Sabaean lands or property and or systems that will lead to the eradication of our tribal nation, shall have their passport revoked, be impeached, if the persons hold a government office, will no longer be a member of the United UNN, and all legal documents that they hold pertaining to the UNN will become null and void. This person will be suspected of treason and charged accordingly, will face indefinite confinement, and will be fined and subject to pay compensation to the victims of our tribe, the Yamasi tribe of Native Americans. All right, let's stop right here. There's a few things missing in here. One, when a person commits a crime or whatever and has to be subject to the beehive, where is the beehive? Somebody answer that. Where? Where? Where's the 24 elders? Where's our land? Right? We're not going to get none of that back until the master's free. obviously has to be looked at again. Right? Okay. Espionage. Before we continue with that, let's check the chat and see where we at. Nubarian, you do a beautiful job, Nubarian. I like the way you be in on mostly every chat room, following up with quotes from the tablets, wherever they may come from, parts of our actual facts. Y'all gotta give it up for Nubarian, yo. Stay on that, yo. That is very, very helpful and insightful. Especially, however, without Baba being free, without the Council of the 24 Elders, certain justices are going to be hard to implement. Alright. Rules of striking an official, those are the same. Alright, so let's go to